Hey guys, nagluluto kami ng breakfast. Nagluluto ako pala ng breakfast. Katatapos ko lang magluto, so kakain na kami ng breakfast. Anong oras na ulit? 8:30. 8:24 na. So, kain muna tayo ng breakfast bago ang lahat-lahat because breakfast is the most important meal of the day. So, ito yung breakfast na niluto ko. Ano ito yung skinless hamonado ko na naman dahil ko. Tapos yung honeydew, kape, and tsaa sa akin. Tapos yung rice. And then manunod. Habang nagbre-breakfast kami, manunod kami. Yan yung pinapanood namin na series. Maganda yan, panoorin nyo rin. Nalimutan kasi akong mabuya. Ha?
Michael Ross, I'm Assistant U.S. Attorney Anita Gibbs, and unlike you, I'm a real attorney.
I'm not answering any questions until I speak to my lawyer.
I heard you ask for him before, but while we're waiting, I just wanted to let you know that I'm the one who's going to put you in jail. I appeared in court. Each instance carries a 9-month sentence, and to tell you the truth, I am too tired to do the addition.
Well, I'm not. If what you're saying is true, there's a limit of 1 count.
You can see me break. So here's how this is going to go. You play ball, I go easy on you. You don't. In my experience, college boys, even fake ones.
And if it isn't going to be you, it's going to be me.
You're gonna let her go down there?
Harvey, she can knock on that door all she wants. They're not going to let her see it tonight. Besides, she's his fiancé. Seeing him is not going to make her look guilty.
It's not gonna make me look guilty either. It makes me look like I'm standing by my guy.
No, what's going to keep you from looking guilty is you and I ripping up your letter of resignation.
Jessica, I just made a deal with Forsman. He finds out that I'm still here, he picks up the phone, calls Hardman, and the two of them pick this place apart.
And if whoever is prosecuting this case finds out you left on the same night they arrested Mike, then we may as well turn ourselves in.
Which is why I need to get in there and talk.
Hey guys, so we're going for a swim sa swimming pool. Try din natin mag-swimming sa kanilang pool. So yung swimming pool nila dito, yung Azure North, kilala siya sa kanyang artificial beach. Kasi yung pool nila may waves. And yung anong tawag doon? Yung paligid niya may mga sand. So, try nating tignan and i-experience. We're going up, up, up. We're going down, down, down pala. Ay, meron naman doon. Yun, no? Saan nga yung ano? I don't know. Shower nila. Wow! Ang dami ng tao, be. Kayat na parang ano nga talaga. Ay, hanggang 4 feet lang. Ay, meron? Merong 5 feet? Ay, oo. Oh, pero parang mabuto lang na 5 feet tapos nasa na ako.
Kapatid ko pa yung order niya.
This is our view. Dating tower ta nga nagstay niya. So, dyan kami nagstay.
Way back when, before the grown-up phase, we're one best friend. It was easy going roll. Life was anything but fair, but somehow we didn't care. Way back then, we saw all the movies on a big screen when we couldn't afford to pay the price. We snuck in through the back, hearts racing as the lights went black. Hold up, when did we grow up? When did dreams give way to plans? Wonder slip through our hands. Just hold up, just hold up. Way back now, I watched them in the yard and wonder how the world still feels that wide. Skin knees and open skies, no fear behind their eyes. Hold up, when did we grow up? When did dreams give way to plans? Wonder slip through our hands. Just hold up, just hold up. I said hold up. Why did we grow up? When did we start moving so slow? Used to run, we used to blow. Hold up, said hold up. Hold up. When did we grow up? When did we start moving so slow? We used to run, we used to glow. Hold up, just hold up.
I wake up from the sunshine on my face, so dehydrated, don't know what to say. Who's sleeping by my side? What did I do last night? Can someone make this headache go away? Yesterday was supposed to be quiet, being to myself and saying silence. Until I got a call, my friend showed up at my door. They wanted me to go out for a ride. We were dancing in the dark, with a feeling in our heart.
Kunin ko lang yung gamit. Ano sabihin mo? Hey guys, kagagaling lang namin sa pool and it was a good experience. Maganda yung waves nila, parang
Parang waves.
parang totoong dagat. So maliligo lang kami and then tsaka kami pupunta ng SNR. SNR ba papananta?
Sino ba?
Or SM?
SM?
Ay, SM daw pala. Okay, bye! Hi guys, good evening. Papunta na tayo sa SM. So, ganito yung itsura dito kapag gabi. Dito sa may swimming pool na area. Tapos, may gym dito na part. Yan, gym. So, dyan kami nagstay, Azure North. So, naglalakad kami papunta sa parking. 3 minutes away yung free parking. Meron naman mga parking harap sa pinagstayhan namin, kaso lang may bayad. And we don't want to hello po. We don't want to spend 300 pesos daily para sa parking. Eh, meron naman free parking. 3 minutes away lang siya. So, yan lang yung linakad namin. Tapos, dyan na kami nagstay. Dito sa harap ng building na to. So, ito yung main entrance.
Balik lahat ng alaala kung paano tayo nagsimula.
Yan yung view paggabi. So yan, yung tatlong tower. Yan yung Azure. Doon kami sa pinakagitna na building. So yan yung Bali Tower. Guys, we are here na. So malapit lang siya. 5 minutes away lang siya kapag may service. SM City, Pampanga.
Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh, oh. Every morning after feels the same. I know I only have myself to.
Guys, tapos na kaming kumain. Naglilibot-libot lang kami. Para matunaw yung kinain namin. Sa nagmayat nagkita niya. Sa nagmayat. Nga? Na-cute!
Tapos lang ito yung usapan niya pilgrimage. Wow!
Vibes massage. Pa-close na yung mall. 8:29 na. May 30 minutes pa kami. Kasi naglo-close siya ng 9 PM. So bukas, we're going to the Space and Time Cube. Dito rin. So titignan natin yung bagong recreational activity ng SM City Pampanga. So yan, Space and Time Cube. Tara na! Guys, pauwi na kami. Nagtayot ka na ah. Dapat nakakasta. We're going home. And bumili kami ng popcorn for our Netflix and chill. Kasi maaga pa naman. 8:30 pa lang. So we still have 2 hours to have our Netflix and chill. Ha? What? What? Ay? Saan na tayo bibili? Ay, may nakalimutan daw siyang bilhin yung... Anong tawag doon? Oo, cellphone holder ng... Cellphone. Ay, ibatik na doon na, bas. Dahil ako, timatam. Bibili lang muna kami ng cellphone holder para dito sa kotse. Kasi kailangan namin, kasi hindi namin kabisado dito. Medyo hassle kapag ano tawag doon? Ay, ganun na dito pa. So much. Likod na lang ba? Tutuloy po guys yung sinasabi ko kanina. Hassle kapag hinahawakan lang yung cellphone. Kaya we need to buy. Saan na kayo tayo bibili? DIY? Hardware. Guys, we're back in the car. So, nakabili na kami. Si-set up na lang niya. Yung? Wipes? So, buti nakaabot pa. Kasi pa-close na talaga yung... 10 minutes na lang. 10 minutes na lang before closing time. So, ilalagay lang namin yung nabili namin. Okay, we're good to go.
Azure North by Century may close within 1 hour of when you arrive. Exit the parking lot.
So, we're
for
going
SMX.
back sa ating accommodation. So, guys, yung ginawa
Azure North
pala
by
namin
Century
ngayong
may close.
araw.
Exit the parking lot for SMX.
So, kaninang umaga, nag-Netflix and chill lang kami buong maghapon. Tapos, kaninang mga alas 4, nag-swimming kami. And then, after that, pumunta na kami dito sa SM. So, yun lang yung ginawa namin ngayong araw. So, nagpahinga muna kami, nag-rest muna kami. Kasi ayaw namin yung dire-diretsong namamasyal.
I guess I got caught up. Can someone make this headache go away? We were dancing in the dark with a feeling in our hearts. Felt like we had it all. We were dancing in the dark. We were dancing in the dark. We were dancing in the dark with a feeling in our hearts. Felt like we had it all. We were dancing in the dark. We were dancing in the dark. Wow, oh, oh. Oh, wow, oh, oh. Oh, wow, oh, oh. Wow, oh, oh. Wow, oh, oh. Oh, wow, oh, oh. Oh,
We're
wow,
back in our accommodation. Let's have Netflix and chill. So, maganda rin dito kasi meron ng wifi and naka-Netflix na rin. Okay, ta? PlayStation? Ay, okay. So, maglalaro daw kami ng PlayStation. Meron na rin PlayStation dito. And then, may mga board games. So, yan. Mag-enjoy talaga. And meron din maliit na speaker for karaoke night. Open muna natin yung aircon. So, ganito pala yung view dito pag gabi. So, nandyan na yung mga damit namin na nilagay ko dito yung mga damit namin na pinag-swimming namin. So, yan yung view. So, doon kami galing sa SM. So, that's our view from here sa ating accommodation. So, we are in the pang 22 na floor. Kaya medyo mataas. We still have 3 days. 3 days pa tayo dito na, be. Ay, hindi. 2. We only have 2 days left. Kasi 22. Hindi, 3. Kasi 25 tayo mag-check out. Ganda ng ilaw. So aesthetic. So aesthetic. Ganda rin yung mga display nila dito. Tapos ipapakita ko yung binili namin na breakfast. Ito yung breakfast namin for tomorrow, hotdog. So, naluto ko na yung hamonado at saka, ano pa yung linuto ko na isa? Shrimp ba yun? Diba? So, yan. Nakatipid tayo. Tapos dito, so yung yogurt. And then, ay, oo. Inom pala ko nito. Health Energize Juice Cleanse. So, maganda to. Kaso lang, ang pangit ng lasa. Maganda sa health. I mean. But anyway, so that's it for today. Chill lang tayo. And then for tomorrow, we will have pilgrimage. So bibisitahin namin yung mga simbahan dito sa Pampanga. I guess I need you, baby. In my dreams, I see your face. It's haunting me.
Although this has always been a friend of mine, leaving my life in your hands, it all in a glance. Mystery, I can't get. Don't care what it's really. Spirit, guilt, and tension that never quite came true. Dying, her love kept me trying. At night, and she doesn't think the better with tears of joy that feel her love.